Bored in the house. Bored in the house because I'm in the house bored. Bored in the house because I'm in the house bored. So you've seen my series, Adam Cubed. Adam Cubed. 1, 2, 3. 3 of me. How did I do it? That's the question that I keep seeing in the comments. Do you ask an eagle how it flies or a dolphin how it swims? No, because that's what it was made to do. I, on the other hand, am not made to do this. So here's a tutorial. How you layer photos so it can look like there's multiple of you. The way we're gonna do this, the easiest way for me to do this is just to screen record and show you, and then I'm gonna slam these videos right next to each other. You need multiple photos, you need the camera to stay exactly still. So it's on a tripod, it's over there. I'm sitting in the seat in front of this camera with the tripod over there. I have a version of me standing just off screen here, kind of directing the camera, and another Adam being cheeky, sitting right off to the side on the bed, giving me a glance. So starting the screen recording, 1, 2, 3. We're recording. You go into Snapseed. That's the app you're gonna need. It looks like that guy right there. Open it. That's the screen you see. Tap anywhere to add a photo. I have taken a bunch of photos, so you just open from your device. Again, I took the 3 photos I showed you. We will begin with the one of me sitting in this chair. There it is. You go to Tools, that's in the bottom, Tools, scroll all the way down, double exposure. You need that. Once you've clicked double exposure, along the bottom again, there's a picture box. Hit plus, you're adding another photo, one of the 3 you took. So I add the photo of me standing off to the right. It now looks like this. You can kind of see both. You need to click on the teardrop, make it opaque all the way up to the right. It's fully to the right, check mark, you're good to go. From here, this is the most important step. You go up to the top where you view your edits. View edits. You're gonna see 2 options there, original, double exposure. Double exposure, hit the paintbrush in the middle. Once you've done that, your photo looks like this. You're going to paint over where you were standing in your photo. Paint over, just like that. Paint it over me. Check mark, back out. That's where you are now. What do you do next? Go back into Tools. It's the exact same process. Tools, double exposure, add a photo, remember? All photographs. Here I am laying in bed. So now I've got the laying in bed. Don't forget to go to the teardrop all the way off to the right. Check mark. Here's where we are. View edits. You just did this before. You're back in there. Double exposure, paintbrush in the middle. And now you're going to brush over where you were in the 3rd spot, which for me, laying in bed. Check mark it. And there you have Adam Cubed. So unfortunately, there is only one of me and a few tricks up my sleeve. Anyways, that's how you do that. Hopefully you enjoyed. I'm gonna try to make more videos since we're all quarantined. Do me a favor, like and subscribe, and have a good day, everybody.